Hello, this is Mrs. Brown, and we're going to look at the surfaced area of a pyramid. So remember that when we unfold a pyramid, the net looks like this. So this inside this particular one is a square pyramid because you can see the 1.2 and 1.2. Okay, and the slant height, notice it doesn't go to the center like it did with volume. The slant height is along the face. So that's the height of this triangle, which would be 2. Okay, so just like we do with all the other ones, we're going to find the individual areas and then add them together. So for the triangle or the square in the middle, 1.2 times 1.2 is going to give you 1.44 because it's the same as 12 times 12. That's a 1 there. And then for the area of the triangle, remember the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Again, writing out the formula. So the area of a triangle here is 1/2. The base is 1.2 and the height is 2. Remember the commutative property multiplication says you can multiply in any order. So 1/2 of 2 is 1 times 1.2 is 1.2. And since this is a square, all 4 are going to be the same. So all of these have an area of 1.2. Okay, so in order to find the surface area, I can do 1.2 times 4 because there's 4 of them. And once I've done that, I can add it to 1.44. And that will give me my total surface area. So 4, 12, and 6. So 624 units squared is going to be the surface area of this pyramid. Again, finding the area of the base and the area of the triangles and adding them together. Okay. If you take a look with this one, again, it's a triangular pyramid. It's the same idea. You unfold it. This height represents the height of the base, and this height, the 7, represents the height of the slant height of the side of the triangle. So when you take a look here, we're going to find the area of this triangle. The base is unique. And then the areas of these 3, because this is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are 6, it's going to be equal, okay? So when I take a look, I'm going to do, let's start with the center. So 1/2 base times height. And so I'm going to do 1/2 6 times 4, because the middle triangle is 6 by 4. 1/2 of 6 is 3 times 4 is 12. So this area in the center is going to be 12. Then I'm going to work on this triangle, and these are not drawn to scale, I'm sorry. 1/2 base times height. So the base is 6 still, but the height of that triangle is 7. So 1/2 of 6 is 3 times 7 is going to be 21. So this area is 21, this area is 21, and this area is 21. And now I just need to add it all up. So I can either do 21 times 3, or I can do 21 plus 21 plus 21, whichever you prefer. That's 63, and then I'm going to add that to my center, which is 12. And so the final surface area is going to be 75 units squared. Okay, so again, finding the areas of each individual face and then adding them together, and you will find your surface area. I hope this helps, and have a fabulous day.